Would you still move abroad if you knew the truth?
In this video, you'll discover what living abroad is really like and how to handle it with confidence.
Like, subscribe, and stay until the end. You don't want to miss this. Let's go.
The truth about living abroad. Is it exciting or more difficult than people say?
It's both, but people usually ignore the daily struggles.
What kind of struggles? I'm really curious.
Simple things like ordering food or understanding accents can feel stressful at first.
I thought it would feel like an adventure all the time.
Well, sometimes it does, but it can also feel confusing and lonely.
Why lonely in a place full of people?
Because a different language can make you feel disconnected.
Is language the biggest challenge?
Yes, especially when you translate before speaking.
I do that a lot. Is that bad?
It's normal, but it slows you down and affects your confidence.
What should I do instead?
Use simple English chunks like I think or I need help.
Can you give an example?
Instead of I'm very grateful, just say thanks a lot.
That makes sense. But what about understanding others?
It can be hard at first because of speed and accents.
Accents confuse me. How do people deal with that?
With practice, your brain adapts and it gets easier over time.
What if I don't understand someone?
You can say, "Can you repeat that?" Or, "I didn't catch that."
I feel embarrassed asking.
That's normal, but it shows confidence.
And what about daily situations, like a store?
Simple phrases help, like, "How much is this?"
So maybe I'm overthinking?
Yes, you're trying to be perfect instead of understood.
So living abroad simplifies your English?
Exactly. It helps you focus on what matters.
What about making friends abroad?
It can be hard at first because language slows conversations.
So translation is the problem.
Yes, it slows you down and makes things awkward.
What should I do?
Think in English and use simple responses.
Like what?
Yeah, I agree, or that makes sense.
Wow, that's easy. I use that in my language too.
Exactly. Patterns are similar across languages.
Does this help in social situations?
Yes, it helps you respond faster and feel confident.
What about work situations?
Keep it simple and clear.
Can you give an example?
Instead of something formal, just say, "Any updates on the project?"
That sounds much more natural.
Exactly. And it's what people actually say in real life.
So living abroad forces you to learn real English?
Yes, because you need it to survive daily situations.
That sounds intense.
It is, but it's also the fastest way to improve.
So is living abroad worth it?
Yes, if you're willing to face challenges and grow.
What kind of growth?
Confidence, independence, and better communication.
So it's not easy, but rewarding.
Exactly. It's challenging, but worth it.
So how can someone stay motivated?
Focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate small wins.
What do you mean by small wins?
Simple things, like understanding something or having a short conversation.
And what if someone feels stuck?
That's normal. Your brain is still learning.
Even when it doesn't feel like it?
Yes, learning is happening in the background.
What daily habits help the most?
Speaking a little every day, even simple sentences, helps more than long study sessions.
What about situations where everything feels too fast?
In those moments, you can slow things down with simple phrases.
Like what?
You can say, "Can you speak a bit slower?" or "Give me a second."
Wow, I like "give me a second." It sounds natural.
Yes, it's very common and useful.
What about when I don't know what to say?
You can use fillers like "well," "let me think," or "that's a good question."
Interesting. So even silence can be managed?
Exactly. These phrases give your brain time to think.
That's really helpful.
You see, communication is also about managing time while speaking.
I never thought about that.
Most learners don't, but it makes a big difference.
What about making deeper connections with people abroad?
That happens when you focus on listening and reacting naturally.
So listening is as important as speaking?
Yes, maybe even more important in the beginning.
Why is that?
Because listening helps you understand how people really speak and respond.
So it helps me learn natural patterns?
Exactly. Your brain starts copying what it hears.
Wow, like learning by imitation?
Yes, that's how language learning works naturally.
Should I repeat what I hear?
Yes, it helps you internalize phrases.
What about pronunciation?
It matters, but you don't need to be perfect, just clear.
So no need for a native accent?
Exactly. Just be understandable.
And thinking speed?
It improves when you stop translating.
So translation is the main issue?
Yes, avoiding it is a big step in fluency.
What about professional situations abroad?
Clarity and confidence matter more than complexity.
Can you give an example?
Instead of something formal, say, "I have another idea."
That sounds easier.
Yes, simple language works everywhere.
So, what would you say to someone afraid of moving abroad?
Fear is normal, but growth comes from leaving your comfort zone.
So, fear is part of the process?
Yes, and it usually means you're about to grow.
Wow, that's powerful.
You see, living abroad is not just about language, it's about transformation.
Transformation in what way?
You become more independent, more confident, and more adaptable.
That sounds like a life-changing experience.
It really is.
So, would you recommend it to everyone?
Yes, especially to those who want to grow personally and professionally.
Even if they're not confident in English yet?
Especially if they're not confident yet, because that's how confidence is built.
That's encouraging.
Waiting to feel ready can delay your progress.
So, it's better to start before feeling ready.
Exactly. Action creates readiness.
So, what's the most important lesson from living abroad?
Communication is about connection, not perfection.
And how can someone apply that daily?
By speaking every day, using simple phrases, and not fearing mistakes.
If I had to remember one thing, what should it be?
Fluency comes from using the language, not overthinking it.
Oh, I almost forgot. What about real situations like ordering food?
That's one of the first challenges abroad.
Yeah, that sounds stressful.
It can be, but it's actually easier than you think.
Really?
Yes, and that's exactly what we'll show in the next video.
Nice. I'm curious now.
So, click on the next video and learn how to order food with confidence.